Agriculture. The introduction of artificial intelligence in agriculture. In agriculture. Technology has redefined agriculture in recent years. Today, the development of technology has affected the agricultural industry in many ways. Agriculture is one of the most important occupations in most countries of the world, and as the population grows and the pressure on the land grows, the demands for food production increase by 60%. This is where AI and ML come in. AI in agriculture currently shows the potential to meet the food needs of 2 billion people worldwide by 2050. In line with such goals, agricultural techniques have now been revolutionized and agri-scientists are looking for the best ways to implement AI in agriculture. Agricultural AI-based technology helps grow healthier crops, control pests, monitor growing conditions, monitor soil, organize information for farmers and help them in many tasks. AI in agriculture. What do statistics say about the impact of artificial intelligence on agriculture? The role of artificial intelligence in agriculture is huge. It simplified the most complex and routine tasks and made agriculture easier than decades ago. Let's see what the statistics say about the impact of AI in agriculture and how AI is used in agriculture. Revenues spent on the global web and smart agriculture, including machine learning and artificial intelligence, are expected to triple by the end of 2025, reaching $15.3 billion. Artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, IoT, in agriculture enables Internet of Things, IoT, monitoring in agriculture, which is expected to reach $4.5 billion by 2025. Expenditure on AI solutions and technologies, especially in agriculture, is estimated growing from $1 billion to $4 billion from 2020 to 2026, representing a CAGR of 25.5%. The agricultural market size was $852.2 million in 2019 and will grow by 2030. Is expected to reach $8,379.5 million United States dollars with a CAGR of 28%. During the forecast period, 2020 to 2030, in Asia Pacific. How does agritech AI solve the challenges in agriculture? How does agritech AI solve major challenges in agriculture? Applying AI into agriculture technology is quite a challenge for farmers who are not tech savvy. They see AI as just a part of the digital world and do not know how to use it as a practical application in various agricultural processes. New technology seems confusing because agritech vendors often cannot explain how their solutions are useful. Agriculture